Hello everybody. So today we are going to do the week 3 lesson, and for this lesson we are basically just going to go over one of the designs that is going to be for your homework, and I'm going to do the rocket ship. You can either do a rocket ship or you can do a cake. But for this lesson, I'm just going to show you guys how to make the base, and then going from there, you will have to make more of a design, such as make a galaxy, or just add more details into your design. I'm not going to do that because I want you guys to be creative and use your own mind to design whatever you would like. And yeah, so I'm not going to be doing the cake, but I'm going to be doing the rocket ship as I said. So if you guys have any questions on how to do the cake or the rocket ship or need extra help, please feel free to ask your teacher because they are here to help. So we are going to start in Tinkercad, and I'm just going to give you guys a little demo. So to kind of warm up your memory. So what this is, this little box right here. Front, you can see your object from the front. And let's move, so you can click this arrow right here. You click the arrow, you can go from the bottom, you can go from the back, whatever you would like, or you can use your mouse and you can click the right side and it basically moves you around like so. If only I could show you guys, but just trust me and do that and you're able to move any way you would like. So this makes it way easier, but we are going to face our work plane from the front and kind of also the top. Okay, so we are going to drag our cylinder here first. So when we are making our rocket ship, or if you're making a cake, whatever you would like, I like to start with a cylinder because you can make it however tall you would like, however wide you would like, and it's easy to make a cake out of it or even a rocket ship just as the base. So I'm going to choose a color, whatever color you would like your rocket ship to be. I'm going to make mine blue. Okay, no, that is too close of a color to the work plane, so let's choose green. So I'm going to, let me show you guys right here. I'm going to make my rocket ship base 50, and then from the side I'm going to make it around 30, and I'm going to look to see if that's how I would like it. It is not how I like it, so I'm going to move this to 30 as well. Okay, that is the perfect shape for me. As you can see, move your mouse around to see if the shape is how you would like it to be. Now let's click on our shape, and you can make your sides as defined as you would like. I'm going to do 64, and you really cannot see a difference unless you zoom in, but depends on what you would like to do. So for this I'm going to keep it 0, and then for the segments I'm going to keep it 1, but I will show you guys what happens if you go to the highest. For segments, as you can see, doesn't make a difference. And for this one, as you can also see, it does make your design a little bit different. Kind of looks like a soda bottle, but that is irrelevant to what we are doing right now. So now I'm going to go to the right and look at the other basic shapes that are right here. So if you want to add whatever you would like to the top of your rocket ship. You can either put a roof on top of your rocket ship, a cone, a round roof, a pyramid, a half sphere, or a paraboloid. I'm going to choose paraboloid because I believe it looks closest to a rocket ship, but you guys can do whatever you would like. So I'm going to click on it and I'm going to move it onto my work plane. Okay, so you may be wondering, how am I supposed to get this object on top of here? So what you are going to do, I'm going to move this to the side and I'm going to move it right into the middle. As you can see, it is underneath here, the object right there. Move this up. So you are going to see this little arrow right here. Make sure it is not this one, it's not the arrow for the cylinder, but the paraboloid. You are going to bring it up, like so. So you can see, so you're just dragging this up right here. I'm going to zoom in so you guys can see a little better. Zoom in, move my, here. Okay, perfect. So let's see how I'm going to click on my paraboloid. I'm going to move it out to the same, for this one I chose, clicking on the cylinder, I chose 30 for my side length, 30, 30. Okay, so this means we are going to make our paraboloid 30. So, here we go. 30 and 30. So, we are going to try to put it right on top of it. Okay, we can see that this part is not 30. That is 27. We want it to be 30. Oh wait, my bad. Here we go, 30. That is perfect for me. If you guys would like to even make it a little bit bigger than your actual rocket ship, a little bit smaller, whatever you would like. So I'm going to make mine a little bit taller, like so. Okay, so right now the colors really don't matter to me because I'm going to group these shapes together. You can group these shapes together or you don't have to, it's whatever you would like. So, we are going to grab your mouse and you're going to click on the left side and you are going to see this little red box right here. Try to get it right where your shape is and you are going to click mirror. Okay, mirror, and then we are also, let me get even more. Okay, one, perfect. Okay, so the purpose of the mirror is so we can mirror object, obviously, and be able to see how it looks in a different angle. So, okay, so as you see what I just did, I click the red box again, and I click on the lock or unlock. You can do whatever you would like, and I click align. I'm going to unlock this again. I click align and then I click group. So that is a process to group that takes a little while. So first I want to align my objects. No, first I would like to mirror and then we align and then we group. So this is a process that you don't have to do or you can do, it's whatever you would like, but I'm going to change the color And I'm going to make mine lavender so you can see just the basic. So it kind of looks like a rocket ship right now, but not fully. So now we're going to go back to our basic shapes. Now I'm going to grab a wedge. So I'm going to make this maybe around 10. We can make it 20, actually. Or 20. Okay. Make this 10. Okay. Now that is still 2. Let's see if we can get it to 5. 5, perfect. So I'm going to move my wedge right here. As you can see, that's how rocket ships usually look. They usually have a type of fin on the side of the rocket ship. Okay, I'm going to move this a little bit higher up, maybe 25. Okay, perfect. I'm going to grab another wedge, and I'm going to, I like this color, so I'm going to keep it, but I'm going to basically move it around. So let me show you guys how to do it, how to move it. So it's going to show up like this. So you're going to click on the wedge, and you are going to see this little arrow. Like so, I'm clicking, I'm showing you guys right now, and I'm going to move this around. Hmm. 180 degrees. That's perfect. And let me see what were the measurements. So I did 5 and I did 20. So I want it to be exactly the same. Okay. $20. Or wait, no, this one's actually 5. My bad. 5. Let me just move this here and we can go from there. It'll be a little bit easier to be able to tell what I did. Oh no, this is 25. I remember we moved it. 25. And then the bottom. So to check your measurements, you can click on one of these little white boxes. I'm going to see I did 5 here, and then 20 on this side. 20 on this side, 20, and exactly 5 right here. But as you can see, it does not look the same because it is a little bit too close to my rocket ship. I'm going to go on the top and basically align these two. And it's still to get it as how I would like it to look. Right here. Again, this is a process. Not everything can be as perfect as you would like it to be because it is just a 3D design, so you do not beat yourself up if it is not perfect. I like it like this. It is, we can see like so. Okay, so this is as far as I'm going to go with the rocket ship, but I'm going to explain again what else you can do for this design, or what else you need to do. So, after you do the basic design, as I explained in the week 3 homework, you are going to add more. By that I mean you can add some planets. You have to at least add one planet into your work plane, and as well as that, you will also need to make a galaxy. And remember, the homework should take around 1 to 2 hours, no more than that. And if you do have issues and it's taking you longer than that, please tell your teacher, and she or he can help you edit your design to kind of not make it take so long and be so tedious, because remember, this should be a fun activity. So you can, as I said, add a planet, make a galaxy, and make more designs to your rocket ship. Another idea is you can add some fire on the bottom of your rocket ship so it's blasting off, or you can make this a different color, or this can be in the sky if you would like. It's whatever you guys would like, but I will show you guys how you can make your rocket ship look as if it is in the sky, or it's flying to a galaxy or into space. So we are going to click group so we can group all the shapes together, and that basically makes it one shape. See, as you can see, that is how we would like it to look, and it's just one solid shape. I'm going to make it a different color once again. So, here we go. I'm going to grab zoom out a little bit, and it's going to go up, like so. So this looks like it's flying off, or it's levitating, or it's just in space. And we can add, this can be a planet, can move this. I'm going to make this green. And I'm going to move this up, make it however you would like. It can like so. That is, you can make it into Earth if you would like, or whatever. And then I'm looking down on the right, and you can put some stars into your galaxy, and we can go to characters, connectors. Let's do characters, and you can add whatever you would like into this galaxy. You can add a beanie, anything fun. Just remember to make it realistic and kind of have a story to your rocket ship and why it is the way it is, and what was your creative side of making it. So this is obviously not done. There still needs to be a lot more detail, but that is up to you guys to make it however you would like. For the cake, I will delete this, guys, right now, so I can show you guys just a little demo of how you can just make a cake. Okay. I'm going up, and I'm going to grab another cylinder, and just going to make this very quick, because a cake is a little bit easier to make, in my opinion. But if you guys have any other questions, remember to ask your teacher, because I'm not going to do a full design. So you grab one cylinder. You can make it any color you would like. Green, I know, it's kind of gross, a green cake. Grab another cylinder, put it right inside the first cylinder. As you can see, it's right in there. And bring it up. Do this, you can expand it. So I'm not going to make mine precise with the measurements, because I just want to show you guys, a good idea of how you can make a cake. Then we can grab another cylinder. Actually, I'm going to change this color first, so to pink. So you're able to tell. Okay, here we go. Let me bring this a little bit downward. My bad. It's kind of. So when you're doing that, that's a good example. If you're on the side, always try to be careful because it can move back, it can move front, so try to move this a little bit. One more time, like so. Grab another cylinder. Put it underneath, let's look, we can see our cylinder, click on the cylinder, bring it up, down, bring this to the middle, bring this cylinder right here, bring it down, zoom out, bring this down, bring it to the middle. So this is obviously not a perfect cake. I just want you guys to be able to understand how, or just have an idea how to make a cake. Bring this down, bring it down. So it can actually go inside of the actual cylinder, this one. So you can see that this is actually inside of it. I'm going to move this out a little bit more, move this out a little bit more. Make it whatever color you would like. This is obviously not a perfect cake, but here we go. You need to take time to make it as symmetrical as you would like, because you will be needing to look at the measurements. But just want to show you guys how to kind of make a cake. So this looks perfect to me. If it looks perfect to you or how you would like it, we can group it together as we did before. Group into one shape. And then after to make it have more colors, we can grab a ring and put it around our cake, like the cake base, to make it more of a colorful type of cake or whatever you would like. And remember, you can go to characters and add whatever you would like a ice cream cone or anything like that. So it doesn't have to be a cylinder. You can make it a box cake, or a bundt cake, so like a paraboloid cake, a heart-shaped cake. Just remember to be creative with it and take some time with it and make it a little bit bigger. And remember, you do not have to group your cake, but you should spend more time. This is just for the basic design as explained in the homework. So if you guys have any questions, remember to ask your teachers and take your time on the homework. And that is all for the week 3 lesson. I hope you all have an amazing day. And that is it.